anniversary of Occupy.
Let's hear it from him.
Oh, that's right.
We're occupying Tony's studio.
Oh, there he goes. It's like a Baxter House there.
So her campaign is for people to dance all over the world?
That's right. Oh,
Have you ever seen that YouTube of a guy who
yes.
all over the world?
Oh, kind of dance.
Yeah,
With all the kids and things, yeah.
he does this kind of work.
Yeah. Right.